So we're asked now, considering the forces P1, P2, P3, determine the x and y components of each force. So this overall seems simple enough. We just need to know, I guess, basic trig. So, um, let's see, we're gonna have to do sine, so, ka, to. The sine is going to be vertical, and a cosine is going to be the horizontal. So knowing this now for P1, the sine is going to be, oh, we're going to need to find the hypotenuse, aren't we? The hypotenuse. So P1, let's see, we'll have this triangle here with the base 84. Here's going to be 80, and this is going to be the square root of 84 squared plus 80 squared, which is going to be 116. Okay, knowing this now, P1x is going to be equal to, and then P1y is going to be equal to, this is going to be 22, and then this is going to be adjacent. So from here, right? Adjacent is going to be 84. And then hypotenuse is going to be 116. Which I'm getting to be 22.72. Uh-oh. What the heck? Okay, well maybe we just need to find the uh, angle. So here we're gonna have theta 1, theta 2, and theta 3. And how do we find this angle here? It's gonna be inverse tan of opposite over adjacent, so tan inverse of 80 over 84. Which is 43.602 degrees. So now if we do 22 cosine 43.602, please tell me this is right. Yeah, okay, we're getting the right answer now. This is 15.93. I'm gonna call it pound. And then same thing here, we're gonna do 22 sine of 43.602. 15.17. Yeah. All right. So that's all looking good. It's all looking good. So now let's do the same thing for P2 here. So for P2, oh, this should be 2. This should be 3. Sorry. P2 here. We have this angle. And again, we're going to have triangle's going to look like this. Trying to find this angle. 90 degrees. So here it's going to be tan inverse of opposite, which is 96, over adjacent, which is 28. So the angle is going to be 73.73. So here we're going to have 47 cosine of 73.73, and we're going to have 47 sine of 73.73. Yes, and I'm getting a negative 13.16 and a positive 45.12. So this one had a positive x and a positive y. This one's going to have a negative x and a positive y. This one's going to have a positive x and a negative y. So this one's going to be P3x and then P3y. So this one's 48 pounds. So we're going to have 48 and 48. This one's going to be cosine some angle, and this one's going to be sine of some angle. And this angle is going to be, let's see, the triangle is going to look instead like this. And we're trying to find this angle here. 90. Okay, so it's going to be tan inverse of opposite, which is 90, over adjacent, which is going to be 48. Okay, that means this is an angle of 61.92 degrees. Okay, so 61.92, 61.92. This is going to give us 22.58. And this one's going to give us, and of course that's negative. Wait, positive x direction, negative y direction. This one's going to be negative. And it's going to be 42.35. Yep. And that's how you do this problem.